We're using them on our replacement heifers and also on our beef calves, which you see behind me. So our beef calves that we're sending over to the sale barn to take advantage of the beef prices, we're using the turquoise calf herdsman in those, and then the white cow herdsman in the replacement heifers. We really like the texture and the durability of the tag. When you get it in your hand, the feel, it's a blend of flexible, but it's still stiff, but not stiff to the point where it's going to be brittle and break in our winters that we have here. We see really good retention rates on our replacement heifers, which is really important. Want to tag them once and not have to tag them again. Animal only has so much ear. And on the beef calves, I'm using those turquoise calf tags. I like to watch the broadcast at our local sale barn just so I can see my own calves go through the ring and check and see kind of how the market is for the day. And the turquoise calf tag is so visible in the ring that I can instantly pick out my calves, and they look like everybody else's black calf except for that tag. And it's really nice to have that noticeable tag for the buyers at the sale barn. I've got people that really like to purchase the calves that come from my farm, and so they see that tag and they know that calf is from my farm. Because the tag shape is a little bit different, it's got wider shoulders all the way up to the neck, so we don't see it snagging on the headlocks at all. The all flex tags, occasionally we would see the tag catch and almost shear off, and if the tag didn't shear, then it would rip the ear, and I absolutely hate ripped ears. So the tag stays in very well, doesn't snag, and the texture of the tag is such that it doesn't get brittle in the winters here. The tags actually come with a lifetime guarantee, and some of our milking cows last into their teens here. And so it's nice to have a tag that's guaranteed for the life of that cow. So I only have to pay for the tag once. So ordering was super simple. I just talked with the gal at the office where we'd been getting our other tags previously, told her what I wanted to do, and she was able to talk to the Datamars rep, get the exact SKU that she needed, and take care of it that way. All I had to do was tell her I wanted to make the change, and we started with a small batch. We didn't switch over everything right away because I knew what we had and I wanted to see if there was something better because we were having some issues. And after that first batch, I was ready to make the complete change. We used to get all of our tags in individual bags. I didn't know you could order them all on the same strip. And the match pair set really helps keep things organized, especially when you're out in the barn tagging these calves. I get the EIDs, the tissue tag, and the herdsman visual tags all on the same strip, and it's all by calf or by animal. So I don't have to work with 3 different pieces of plastic and 3 different kinds of bags, and they use all the same applicator, so it's so simple. And it's nice to be able to just do one order and have everything I need show up. And those EID buttons, the numbers on those can be so small, right? And if it's dark in the barn or you're doing it in less than ideal weather conditions, which we have frequently here in Minnesota, being able to just know that that's the correct EID and you don't have to try and cross-reference and double check. And a lot of my employees aren't the best about double checking, so this eliminates a lot of error here on the farm.